you have a brush there. What else?
And festival.
Oh, you got headband. It's so pretty. What else? A cup. Where did you get this? What's inside your purse? What's that?
Peppermint.
A cocomelon. What else?
Ice cream.
You got ice cream. Oh my god. Ah. So that's inside your purse?
It's in.
Wow, you have a beautiful purse. Okay, put it in your... Do you want me to put this back? All right. All right. Thank you, Rylee, for showing us what's inside your purse. What's that? I love you.
Ice cream.
Can you give a kiss? Where are you going? Where are you going, Rylee?
I'm shopping.
You're home? You're dancing? Why do you have your hat here?
On my head.
You're going to Grandpa's today?